We have to start one important part from permutation and combination, that is mean factorial notation. Factorial notation is one of the important term in mathematics. It is very simple. ही खूप सिंपल लहान आहे परंतु महत्वाची सुद्धा आहे. What is mean the factorial notation? Factorial notation म्हणजे काय? हे सर्वात आधी आपल्याला माहित असलं पाहिजे. आता फॅक्टोरियल नोटेशन for a natural number n, for a natural number n, the factorial of n written as n factorial or factorial n, the factorial of n written as n factorial or factorial n and read as n factorial and read as n factorial. This is the notation and its definition. It is the product of n natural number from 1 to n. The meaning of factorial n is it is a product of n natural number from 1 to n. 1 to n. Okay. Now, what is this? याचा अर्थ काय होतो? See, this is the definition. Factorial n. Okay, it is the product of n natural number from 1 to n and it is right like this, expressed as n factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into dot 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 n minus 1 into n minus 1 into n. Also it is expressed in reverse order. रिव्हर्स ऑर्डर सुद्धा त्याला एक्सप्रेस करता येते. म्हणजे कशा प्रकारे the factorial notation can also be defined as the product of the natural number from n to 1 descending order मध्ये. Either you have to write ascending order 1 to n or you have to write in descending order n to 1. Means like this, n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 into dot 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 last number 3 into 2 into 1. One example is given here. That example is 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to the product of all these number is 120. The product of all these number is how much? 120. Now I will show this all things on a book. Now we have to solve question number 2. Compute example number 1, because first question is totally depend upon the definition. Now question number 2, 12 factorial upon 6 factorial. 12 factorial. 12 factorial means, see, 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial descending order, the product of natural number by descending order. And 6 factorial, right? Only 6 factorial. The 6 factorial from numerator and denominator become cancel. Numerator and denominator become cancel, and the answer of this whole expression, this whole example is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. This is the answer of that example. This is the answer of this example. जो काही आन्सर आलेला असेल तो आन्सर इथे लिहायचा बाय टेकिंग इट्स प्रॉडक्ट. टेक प्रॉडक्ट आणि आलेला प्रॉडक्ट इथे लिहून टाकायचा. सेकंड वेट 12/6 factorial. This is very easy example. 12/6. 12/6 means 2 factorial. 6 2s are 12. 2 factorial, and the value of 2 factorial is 2. Value of 2 factorial is 2. Third is also very easy example. 3 into 2 factorial. 3 into 2 factorial. 3 2s are 6. 6 factorial. 6 factorial is nothing but 720. 720. Next example, example number 4. 3 factorial into 2 factorial. The value of 3 factorial. 3 factorial is equal to 6. 2 factorial is equal to 2. And 6 2s are 12. 3 factorial. Just we have to explain in a definition. 3 factorial is equal to 6. 2 factorial is equal to 2. 6 into 2 12. तर प्रत्येकाला 0 to 10 फॅक्टोरियल पर्यंतच्या व्हॅल्यू माहीत पाहिजेत, किंवा मॅक्झिमम 7 फॅक्टोरियल 8 फॅक्टोरियल पर्यंत तरी. 7 फॅक्टोरियल 40 50 40 50. 6 फॅक्टोरियल 6 फॅक्टोरियल म्हणजे 720. अशा प्रकारे. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, एक्झाम्पल नंबर 5. Nine factorial upon 3 into 6 factorial. Factorial exclamatory mark. It is write the natural number in descending order up to 1. अप टू 1 लिहित असताना आपल्याला पाहिजे तिथे सुद्धा आपण स्टॉप करू शकतो. डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये 6 फॅक्टोरियल आहे म्हणून 6 फॅक्टोरियलला त्याला स्टॉप केलेला आहे. आणि 3 फॅक्टोरियल मीन्स 3 into 2 into 1. Or we have to write directly 3 factorial means 6. 6 6 get cancel. 3 1 3 3 3 9. 2 1 2, 2 4 8, and 7 ला 7 means 12 into 7 12 7 84. 84. 3 1 3, 3 3 9, 2 1 2, 2 4 8, and 7 ला 7 as it is. 12 into 7, 12 into 7 is equal to 84. Like this we can solve it. अशा प्रकारे आपण त्याला सॉल्व करू शकतो. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 6. The value of 6 factorial is 720 minus 4 factorial. 4 factorial is equal to 24 upon 24. 4 factorial ची व्हॅल्यू लक्षात ठेवा 24. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, किंवा आपण इथे लिहू शकतो 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. डिनॉमिनेटर 24. 720 मधून 24 सबट्रॅक्ट केले. 720 minus 24 is equal to how much? अथर्व गोडके. Aditya Jadhav, 720 minus 24. Vaishnavi, how much? Prathamesh, very good, 696. डिव्हिजन जातो का? डिव्हिजन जातो का इथे? 2 ने डिव्हिजन देऊया आधी तर. 2. 2 3 जा 6. 2 4 जा 8. 1 रिमेनिंग. 2 8 जा. आता 12 ने जातो का बघूया. 12 ने. 12 2 जा 24. 12 2 जा 24. 10 रिमेनिंग. 10 रिमेनिंग म्हणल्याच्या नंतर 108 होतात. 108. and 12 9s are 108. 12 9s are 108, like this. अशा प्रकारे तुम्ही प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पल तिथलचे सॉल्व करू शकतात आणि पाहू शकतात. यू कॅन सी एव्हरी एक्झाम्पल at that place. Question number 3. Write in terms of factorial bit number 1, 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. Express this example in the terms of factorial. फॅक्टोरियल नोटेशन मध्ये लिहित असताना सर्वात महत्त्वाचं आहे त्याला 1 पर्यंत लिहिणे. डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर मध्ये नंबर 1 पर्यंत किंवा 1 पासून इन्क्रीजिंग ऑर्डर मध्ये n पर्यंत. So here we multiply 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 ने multiply करत आहे and also divide. And remaining term write in numerator as it is 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 multiply and divide, and remaining term we have to write as it is 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 12 is equal to, the numerator becomes 10 factorial divided by denominator becomes 4 factorial. Numerators become 10 factorials and denominator, this is the 10 factorial, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 10 factorial, and denominator 1 2 3 4 4 factorial. In this way you can express in a factorial notation. अशा प्रकारे त्याला आपण फॅक्टोरियल नोटेशन मध्ये एक्सप्रेस केलेलं आहे. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 into 15. या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये जर तुम्ही बघितलं, इफ यू सी दिस एक्झाम्पल, ऑब्झर्व दिस एक्झाम्पल, it is a table of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, like this. Means it will be right like 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4 means 12, and 3 into 5 means 15. This first 3 is taken first. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is the 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. And in second bracket, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 remaining. 3 into 3 into 3 5 times means 3 raised to 5 into 1 to 5 means 5 factorial. 3 raised to 5 into 5 factorial. Like this we have to express in the terms of factorial notation. अशा प्रकारे त्याला फॅक्टोरियल नोटेशन मध्ये एक्सप्रेस केलं. पुन्हा एकदा रिपीट करू. थर्ड एक्झाम्पल पुन्हा एकदा रिपीट करत आहे बघा. थर्ड एक्झाम्पल इज सेम ॲज फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. आता 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 याला फॅक्टोरियल नोटेशन मध्ये लिहायचं आहे. We have to write in a factorial notation. So it will be write like this: 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 1 to 5 number, multiply and divide. Multiply and divide. And given number write as it is in numerator into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. The numerator becomes 9 factorial. 1 to 9 means 9 factorial, divided by denominator is 5 factorial. Denominator is 5 factorial. आणि जो रिपीट करायला सांगितला होता तो सेम पुन्हा एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4 मध्ये 5 into 10 into 15 into 20. इट इज अ टेबल ऑफ. इथे जसं 3 चा टेबल होता, 3 दोन्ही 6, 3 त्रिक 9, 3 चौक 12, 3 पाची 15, तसा इथे 5 चा टेबल आहे. 5 दोन्ही 10, 5 त्रिक 15, 5 चौक 20. इट विल बी राईट 5 into 1. 10 ला लिहिता येते 5 गुणिले 2. 15 is right 5 into 3 and 20 is right 5 into 4. 20 ला 5 गुणिले 4, 5 चौक 20. हे जे 5 5 5 5 जे आहेत ते 5 5 5 सुरुवातीला लिहूया. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 किती वेळेस आहेत ते? 4 वेळेस आहेत. 1 2 3 4. इथे किती वेळेस आले होते? 3. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 वेळेस. इथे 4 वेळेस. 5 चौक 20. इथे 3 पाची 15. 5 वेळेस. इथे 4 वेळेस. आणि नेक्स्ट ब्रॅकेट मध्ये काय राहणार मग? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. तर 5 into 5 4 टाइम्स आहे म्हणजे 5 raised to 4 5 चा चौथा घात. If you multiply any number of times, same number of times. If you multiply a number 2 times, we get square. If you multiply a number 3 times, we get cube. 4 times असेल तर power 4. Like this. And 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 means 4 factorial. This second bracket is a 4 factorial. Like this, we have to get all term. You have to see here how to explain. See, one remark also remember in your mind: 0 is a not natural number. The factorial notation is defined on for n is equal to 0. n 0 असताना n is a natural number. n हा natural number असतानाच define करता येतो. But 0 is a not natural number. 0 is a whole number, but 0 factorial is equal to 1. The value of 0 factorial is equal to 1. Similarly, 1 factorial is equal to also 1. 2 factorial is nothing but a sign of exclamatory mark. Sign of exclamatory mark, उद्गारवाचक चिन्हाचा साइन ड्रॉ करायचा. 1 into 2, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 3 factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 3 to the 6. 4 factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to, do the product. Do the product and tell me how much it is. तो product किती येतो तो सांगा. Very good. Its product is 24. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 5 factorial, 5 factorial is equal to 120. That example also you have to seen in a book. 5 factorial is equal to 120. 6 factorial, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6, like this. Or you have to write in descending order. Descending order means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, like this. What is the product of 6 factorial? Tell me. Vedant, Shreyash. How much? Very good, Rohan. 720. The factorial 7. 7 factorial is nothing but. It is also like right like this. 7 into 8, sorry, 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. असं पण आपण लिहू शकतो. म्हणजे we have to stop at any place. The meaning of like this, like, is 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial means 5 4 3 2 1. Again like this means 7 6 are 42 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial 120. Total product is equal to how much? Total product is equal to how much? हाँ 540, 50 40, 5040. It's correct. Okay. Do proper calculation. Some students maybe use calculator or anything, but calculator is not allowed in a examination. So do calculation properly, and everyone remaining the value up to 10 factorial in your mind. 10 फॅक्टोरियल पर्यंतच्या व्हॅल्यू आपल्या माइंड मध्ये असल्या पाहिजेत. 7 8 जा 56 into 720 is equal to how much? Okay, then 9 factorial. 9 factorial is equal to 40,320 ला 9 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. 9 into 8 factorial. 8 factorial means 40,320. That multiply with sorry, 9 900. 9 2s are 18, carry 1. 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 1 28, carry 2. 900, 0 plus 2 2, 9 4s are 36, means 3,62,880, and the value of 10 factorial is 36,28,800. Only one zero is increase. Only one zero is increase. Like this, you have, you also find the values from 0 to 10 factorial in your books. 0 is not a natural number, but its value is 0 factorial is equal to 1. Means it is also right like this in descending order. 2 into 1, 3 into 2 into 1, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Like this we have to also write. in descending order. In descending order. Okay. Everyone understand what is meant by factorial and what is the factorial notation? Factorial notation is shown by the exclamatory mark, and the definition of factorial notation, the n factorial means it is a product of natural number from 1 to n, or in descending order n to 1. n to 1.